Welcome to Review Rumble. The best vertical window stoppers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any home with vertical windows, ensuring safety, comfort, and energy efficiency by preventing unwanted drafts and accidental openings. These ingenious devices are designed to secure your windows in place, offering peace of mind and enhancing the overall functionality of your living space, making them a must-have for modern households seeking practical solutions. Number 5. Primeline U9819 Aluminum Sliding Window Lock, 4-pack. Introducing the Primeline U9819, a set of 4 aluminum sliding window locks. These are designed to keep your metal horizontal sliding windows secure. Its secure thumb-turn screw locks it firmly in place, allowing you to secure your window in a closed or ventilated position. This provides added flexibility and peace of mind. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools at all. Simply place it on your window rail and secure the thumb turn. Crafted from durable extruded aluminum with a steel thumbscrew, this lock is built for long-lasting performance. It's designed to fit rails up to 1/8 inch wide. Please refer to the dimensions provided to ensure it fits your specific window needs before purchasing. It is not a universal fit. Enjoy the versatility of locking your window fully closed or partially open for ventilation. This offers enhanced security and comfort. What we like. This lock offers versatile locking positions, allowing you to secure your window fully closed or partially open for ventilation. Its tool-free installation makes it incredibly easy to use. If you have metal horizontal sliding windows and need a simple, durable security solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The stoppers are easy to install and adjust, fitting snugly against the window frame to prevent it from sliding down. They effectively hold the vertical windows in place, even with slight vibrations, ensuring the windows remain open at the desired position. The design is unobtrusive and blends well with most window frames, maintaining the aesthetic of the room. Number 4. Window Locks 10-pack. Introducing our versatile window locks, designed to keep your home secure. They work perfectly for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, as well as patio and sliding glass doors. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, these locks are built to last. They feature a vinyl lining to protect your window frames from scratches and provide a strong grip. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. Simply use the convenient thumb screws to secure them onto your sliding tracks in seconds. These locks are adjustable and fit most standard window and door tracks up to 3/16 inches wide. Please check your track size for compatibility. Enhance your home security and protect your loved ones. They allow you to leave windows or doors partially open for ventilation while keeping them securely locked. Perfect for securing AC units, camper windows, or as part of your childproofing measures. These provide peace of mind in many situations. What we like. This pack provides a flexible solution for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows, and even patio doors. It's designed for a no-drill installation and offers childproofing benefits. If you're looking for a versatile lock that can secure various types of sliding openings and want added peace of mind for your family, this is an excellent option. What people say. The window stoppers are easy to install and adjust. They effectively prevent the windows from opening too wide, which is great for child safety. The stoppers are made of durable material and seem to hold up well over time. Number 3. Goodv Child-Proof Window Sliding Door Lock 2 Gray Packs. Keep your little ones safe with our innovative child-proof locks. Designed for peace of mind, they provide an essential layer of security. These locks are simple for adults to operate but virtually impossible for children to disengage. Ensure your doors and windows remain securely fastened. Our locks are specifically engineered to fit a wide range of sliding doors and windows. They accommodate openings between 0.42 inches and 1.18 inches. Prevent accidental openings and keep your child away from dangerous areas. Enjoy a safer home environment for your entire family. Available in a sleek gray color, these locks blend seamlessly with your home decor. They offer robust security without compromising aesthetics. Invest in the safety of your home and the well-being of your child. These locks offer a reliable solution for everyday security concerns. What we like. Designed with child safety as a top priority, this lock offers an adjustable fit for a range of window and door track sizes. Its gray finish is discreet, If your primary concern is preventing little ones from accessing dangerous areas and you need a lock that is easy for adults to operate but secure against children, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is a great product that works well for vertical windows. The design is sleek and modern, and it functions perfectly to keep the windows in place. The stoppers are easy to install and adjust, making them a convenient solution for securing vertical windows. Number 2. Elvone T-shaped weather stripping seal. Tired of drafts and gaps around your doors and windows? This flexible seal strip is designed to cover those openings, creating a more comfortable environment. It comes in a generous length that you can easily cut to fit your specific needs. The peel and stick design makes installation a breeze. This silicone sealing strip effectively insulates against airflow, dust, and noise. Enjoy a quieter and more comfortable living space. Make your home more energy efficient by preventing heat and cold from escaping. It helps keep your space at the desired temperature year-round. For best results, ensure the surface is clean and dry. In colder weather, a quick blast from a hairdryer on the adhesive can improve its hold. This weather strip seal is perfect for a wide range of applications, including sliding doors, windows, thresholds, and even cabinets. What we like. This weather stripping is designed to create a tight seal, effectively blocking drafts, dust, and noise. Its T-shaped design fits snugly into gaps, and the peel and stick application is very straightforward. If you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce external noise, and seal gaps around doors and windows with a simple, effective solution, this product is ideal. What people say. The window stoppers are effective in preventing vertical windows from opening too wide, which is great for security and preventing drafts. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with most window frames without being an eyesore. Installation was straightforward, requiring no special tools and taking only a few minutes per window. Number 1. Safety Innovations Window and Door Babyproof Safety Lock. As parents, we understand that your baby's safety is your top priority. That's why we've developed this essential safety lock to help you protect your little ones. This helpful device is designed to keep windows and sliding glass doors securely locked. It prevents accidental falls and stops curious toddlers from wandering into unsafe areas. Using it is as simple as a sliding motion to lock and unlock. Installation requires no screws, drilling, or messy adhesives, making it incredibly convenient. It comes with pre-applied, heavy-duty 3M VHB tape. Simply peel off the backing and attach it to your window or glass door, no special skills needed. For maximum security, we recommend using 2 locks on each window or door. This ensures your baby remains safe and secure at all times. What we like. This safety lock prioritizes ease of installation with its strong, pre-applied 3M VHB tape, requiring no screws or drilling. It's specifically designed to prevent window falls and keep children from wandering into unsafe areas. If you're a parent or guardian who wants a quick, mess-free way to secure windows and sliding doors for child safety, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. The stoppers are easy to install and adjust, fitting snugly onto the window frame without damaging it. They effectively prevent the window from sliding open too far, providing a good level of security and ventilation control. The design is discreet and doesn't detract from the window's appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.